What's up, everybody? Welcome to another edition of Zach's Live Trader. Here with you as always, I am the bearded boy wonder, the people's champ of Wall Street, Dave Bartosiak. And today, my friends, it's the good, the bad, and the ugly. Now, last week's review was pretty extensive. And then during last week, we couldn't do any shows because prior to this whole net neutrality vote, I still wasn't having good internet upload speed. So the good news is all that's been fixed. So this week you guys have seen nice, smooth Zach's Live Trader shows. So that's good. But as a result, we didn't have too much to talk about because of what happened last week. So this week we do have a couple of names to talk about, but they haven't even reported yet. So all we're going to do is cover a couple of the legacy names that were still on the table and just check in real briefly with the two shows that we've done this week, because that's basically all that we can do. So why don't we go ahead and get into it. First, this bullish call spread that we've had on JD.com for quite some time. We were long the December 15th 40-43 call spread for a $1 holler. Max profit with JD over $43. Spreads trading 46 cents with JD at 40.21. So now we're butting right up against it here, folks. So if you sold it today, you could get your 46 cents. But I'm just hoping we get some sort of, we get closer to legislation. This rally keeps on creeping up. It's going to benefit all these names across the board, especially anything that's kind of towards the smaller end, the small cap kind of thing. So I say you just kind of hold it today, maybe, or you can even take it today if you want. Just see where it opens tomorrow morning. I don't think it's a situation where I would hold it all the way through the day tomorrow, obviously, because it's expiring. But with the thing trading at 40.21, and the stocks, the spreads at 46 cents, eventually that spread is going to trade just at what that JD is trading at. If it's 21 cents, then the spread's going to get to 21 cents. That's what's going to happen tomorrow. So if you sell it early in the day, you'll be able to take advantage. And if you wait till later on in the day, then it's gonna get pretty close. So I just say hold it today, see what happens at the open tomorrow. Might get lucky. Okay, that's JD. Then we have the bullish call spread on John Deere, which has been fantastic. We were long the December 15th, $1.39, $1.45 call spread for $2.55. Max profit with shares of John Deere over $1.45. Spreads trading close to the max gain with John Deere over $1.50. So get out as close to $6 as humanly possible. Now, you're not going to be able to get $6 because the market makers are never going to do that for you, right? But you can get close. You can get pretty close. You're in the money call all the way at 139. So that's why it's the short end is at 145, so you're $5 in the money on that. So it's basically buried in there, fully in the money on both of those. So it's close to 6. Even if you get 580, consider yourself lucky, and it's a victory, because anything above $5 or above 510, you've already doubled. So this is a good one. And then the other two we're going to talk about, we're just what's been done earlier this week. In case you missed the videos, a bullish call spread on Adobe. Long the Jan 12th, 177.50, 182.50 call spread for 202. Max profit with shares of Adobe over 182.50. Right now the spread is trading at 230, but again, this is pre-earnings. This is Thursday. I'm recording this about 2:20 Eastern time. So there's another hour and 40 minutes left in the trading day here today. And we're going to see what happens after the bell. Now, tomorrow morning, we're going to have the Micron show. We're going to talk about this too. So we're just going to go ahead and hold this, see what happens after the bell. Then the last one is the bear put spread on Costco. That's right. I was bearish on Costco. Long the Jan 19 and 188, 180 put spread for 278. Max profit with Costco under 180 bucks. The spread's at 251 now. Again, still before earnings. So we're just going to go ahead and hold and wait and see what happens after the bell today. So don't forget, tomorrow we're going to do Micron, my friends, at 9 a.m. Central Time. Also going to be a little bit of a hybrid show tomorrow because I'm going to talk about Costco. Also going to look in on Adobe. So it's going to kind of be a mix of an actual show and our little morning after session. Now remember, I'm going back to Chicago next week. Going to be filming some other stuff, so we're probably not going to have any ZLT action next week. But when I return to South Florida after Christmas, we'll be right back at it. So I will see you all tomorrow for the Micron Show. Have a good one.
Got them tennis chains on and they real blingy bling. Draco make you do the chicken head like chingy ching. Walking Neiman Marcus and I spend a like 50-50. Please proceed with caution, shooters. They be right with me. 21